BAUFLOOR – Guide for correct installation. To make the installation process even easier, follow these step-by-step instructions. Recommended tools. Equip yourself with the following tools: pencil, cutter, gloves, mallet, level. The super professional multifunction floor cutter will make cutting a breeze. Installation steps. Before their installation, the planks must be left for at least 48 hours in the rooms intended for installation, which must be previously and appropriately air-conditioned. Check the flatness of the screed. Check the temperature of the installation environment using an ambient thermometer. An ideal ambient temperature is around 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. That of the floor from 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. To create a realistic and natural effect, combine the planks from several boxes, since they have a different texture in each of them. If you have doubts regarding the installation, refer to the manual for the correct installation available on our website www.baufloor.it. Before proceeding with the installation, determine whether or not to cut the hooking edge of the first row of planks according to your aesthetic needs. It is recommended to start laying on the longest side of the environment from left to right. It is advisable to maintain a wall plank space of 8 to 10 millimeters in order to allow the floor to contract and expand naturally. To do this, we recommend using spacers. Hooking of the plank. Observe and replicate the movement shown in the videos. Start by hooking the short side and then gently raise the plank, inserting the long side. Attach the insertion tab with the receiving tab at an angle of approximately 25 degrees. This action will produce a click sound that will ensure the correct installation. Note: exclusively for the orient line, connect the planks as shown in the video. Start by hooking the long side and then proceed with the short one. By following these tips, you can proceed with the rest of the installation. SPC bar. Traction bar for perimeter mounting SPC. Indispensable for laying up the ends of rooms and near the walls. Finishing profiles. Our dilation or expansion profiles will adapt to every need. Attention! To apply them, fix the base to the underlying surface. Our stairs. Elevate the quality of your living. Easy to install design solutions available in a variety of color variants. Skirting boards. Available for each variety in the catalogue to allow multiple design combinations. During installation, fix and seal with the help of specific products. BAUFLOOR – tailored flooring.